Car accidents are unexpected, stressful, and can often leave those involved shaken and confused about what to do next. Whether it's a minor fender bender or a serious collision, knowing how to respond in the aftermath is crucial for ensuring your safety, fulfilling legal responsibilities, and protecting your financial interests. This step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly what to do after a car accident, helping you stay calm, act smartly, and avoid common mistakes. Prioritize safety first. Check yourself and others for injuries. The first and most important step after a car accident is to check for injuries. Start with yourself. Are you hurt? Can you move? Then, check on any passengers in your vehicle. If you're able, check on the occupants of other vehicles involved. Call emergency services immediately if anyone is injured or unconscious. There's a fire or risk of explosion. The vehicles are blocking traffic in a dangerous area. Even if the accident seems minor, calling for medical assistance is always wise if there's any doubt about someone's well-being. Injuries like whiplash, concussions, or internal bleeding might not be immediately apparent. Move to a safe location if possible. If the vehicles are still operational and the accident was minor, move to the side of the road to avoid blocking traffic. Turn on your hazard lights to warn other drivers. If the vehicles can't be moved or if someone is seriously injured, stay where you are and wait for emergency responders. Call the authorities. In most jurisdictions, you're legally required to call the police after a car accident, especially if there's injury or death, significant property damage, disputes over who is at fault. When the police arrive, they'll create an official accident report that may be vital for insurance claims or legal matters. Be honest and factual when speaking with officers, but avoid speculating or admitting fault. Let the evidence speak for itself. Stay calm and avoid arguments. Tensions can run high after an accident, but staying calm is crucial. Avoid blaming others or admitting fault, even if you believe you made a mistake. The legal and insurance systems exist to determine liability. Emotional reactions or impulsive statements can hurt you later. If the other driver is aggressive or confrontational, keep your distance and wait for law enforcement to handle the situation. Exchange information with other parties. You'll need to exchange important details with the other drivers involved. This information is essential for filing insurance claims and potential legal matters. Make sure to collect full name and contact information, driver's license number, vehicle make, model, and license plate number, insurance provider and policy number, the location of the accident. If there are any witnesses nearby, ask for their names and contact information as well. Their account could help clarify what happened. Document everything thoroughly. After ensuring everyone's safety and gathering basic information, start documenting the scene in detail. This can be vital when filing claims or defending yourself legally. Take pictures or video of vehicle damage from multiple angles, skid marks or debris, road signs, signals, or road conditions, injuries, if applicable and with consent, the surrounding environment, weather, lighting, etc. Also write down the date and time of the accident, a brief summary of what happened, any statements made by other drivers or witnesses. Don't rely on memory alone. Details can become unclear quickly, especially under stress. Notify your insurance company. Contact your insurance provider as soon as possible after the accident, ideally within 24 hours. Many insurance companies have mobile apps or 24/7 hotlines to make this easier. When reporting the accident, be honest but stick to the facts. Share all gathered documentation and photos. Avoid admitting fault. Let the insurer investigate. If you delay reporting, it could impact your ability to file a claim or be used against you in a liability dispute. Your insurance company will guide you on the next steps, including repairs, medical evaluations, or working with the other party's insurer. Seek medical attention. Even if you feel fine immediately after the accident, it's wise to get a medical evaluation within a day or two. Adrenaline can mask pain, and some injuries, like concussions or soft tissue damage, take time to appear. Why this matters? Early diagnosis can speed recovery. Medical records provide crucial evidence for injury claims. Delaying treatment can weaken your case. Keep a record of all medical visits, diagnoses, and treatments. These will be important for insurance reimbursement or if you pursue legal action for damages. Consider speaking to an attorney. If the accident involves serious injuries, significant property damage, or a dispute about who is at fault, consult a personal injury attorney. An experienced lawyer can protect your legal rights. Deal with aggressive insurance companies. help you recover compensation for medical bills, lost wages, or pain and suffering. Many attorneys offer free consultations and work on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. Follow up with insurance and repairs. After your initial report, your insurance company will begin the claims process. This may include an adjuster inspecting your vehicle, estimates for repair costs, authorization for repairs or replacement, medical reimbursement procedures. Stay in touch with your claims adjuster, respond promptly to any requests, and keep records of all communications. Depending on your policy, you may be entitled to a rental vehicle while yours is being repaired. Monitor your health and finances. Recovery from a car accident can be physical, emotional, and financial. In the weeks and months following the incident, be mindful of lingering physical symptoms. Don't ignore recurring headaches, back pain, or anxiety. Follow up with your doctor. Insurance claim status. Make sure claims are progressing and reimbursements are received. Out-of-pocket expenses. Save receipts for medications, physical therapy, or other costs. Missed work. Track lost wages if your injuries kept you from working. If you begin to struggle with anxiety, PTSD, or depression after the accident, consider seeking counseling or therapy. Emotional trauma is a very real consequence of serious crashes. Understand your legal obligations. Depending on where you live, you may be legally required to report the accident to the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV. Submit an accident report to your state. Cooperate with police investigations. Carry proof of insurance and registration. Failure to meet these obligations can result in fines or legal penalties. Check your local laws or consult an attorney to be sure you're compliant. Learn from the experience. While no one wants to go through an accident, it can serve as a wake-up call to drive more cautiously and be prepared for future emergencies. Practice mindfulness while driving, eliminate distractions, obey speed limits, and never drive under the influence. Conclusion: getting into a car accident can be traumatic, but being informed and prepared can make all the difference in how you respond. From checking for injuries to contacting insurance, documenting damage, and protecting your legal rights, each step matters. Acting calmly and methodically can help minimize stress and financial fallout, ensure justice if you're not at fault, and speed up your recovery, both physically and emotionally. No one ever expects a car accident, but knowing what to do can make all the difference. Stay calm, follow these steps, and protect yourself legally and financially. Preparation today can save you tomorrow. Like and subscribe for more essential tips to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Remember, the moments immediately after an accident are crucial. By following this guide, you can take control of the situation, safeguard your well-being, and navigate the complex aftermath with confidence and clarity.